We have lot of chicken farms where we live, and I live in Sonoma County. This is one of the farm where they have pasture raised organic eggs, and the name of the farm is Wise Acre Farm, and I'm going to get large eggs and medium eggs today. Eggs are available 24 hours through this vending machine. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to make shakshuka. It is a delicious breakfast egg dish. It originated in North Africa in the 16th century, but it is very popular now in the Mediterranean region. It is a healthy, wholesome breakfast dish. It is made in thousands of variations all over the world. Today I am going to make this shakshuka using Indian spices. These are all the ingredients we need for making shakshuka. This is the egg we bought from the farm, and I am going to use 4 eggs today for making. 1 big yellow onion diced into small pieces, 4 big tomatoes diced into small pieces, finely chopped bell pepper. I am using 1 green bell pepper. You can also use red bell pepper, but today I am using the green pepper and the tomatoes from our garden. And finely chopped cilantro leaves, 4 garlic cloves, finely chopped 4 garlic cloves, finely chopped jalapeno, half a big jalapeno, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, and salt to taste, 2 tablespoons water. I am going to start making the dish now. I am going to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can also use canola oil or any other oil. Once the oil is hot, I am going to add the garlic and the jalapenos to the pan. I am going to saute them for a minute, and now I am going to add the diced yellow onions and the bell pepper. You can add little bit of salt at this stage. It will help the onion cook faster. Once the onion is translucent and the bell pepper is cooked well, now we can add the chopped tomatoes. So now saute the tomatoes and cook well. Once the tomatoes are mushy and cooked well, and now we can add that tomato paste. The tomato paste gives some creamy texture to the sauce. Mix it well. And now we can add the spices. Chili powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder. Now we can add the salt. Mix everything nicely and add half of the cilantro leaves. So now mix it well. Now add the 2 tablespoons of water and reduce the heat to low. Now we can add the egg at this stage now. So do a small dip in the sauce and we can add eggs there. Now we can close it with the lid, and we have to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Turn the heat to the medium. Now the egg whites are cooked. Some people like the yolks runny and some people like the yolks well cooked. So depending on your taste, you can cook it more or you can just take it out at this level. Once the egg is done, I'm going to garnish with the remaining cilantro leaves. So I'm going to toast the bread now. So I'm going to serve the shakshuka in the plate. With the sauce. So now we can taste the shakshuka, and usually you can try it with the bread. Today I am going to try with the whole wheat sourdough bread. You can also eat with pita bread. So you have to use your bread as a spoon and scoop it, and you should try it. It tastes so good with the spicy tomato and with all the spices, and it's a very healthy and wholesome breakfast. Try it and enjoy it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting recipes.